Hey everyone, it's Baz, and today I want to focus on adding an export function to SNES Tracker Debugger so that we can export an SPC to a WAV file or an MP3, but that's kind of getting too far ahead of ourselves. I'm just gonna do what I used to do a lot when I worked on SNES Tracker, like every day, which is I just recorded myself as I tried to figure out how to do this. I found that recording myself really helps me out. It forces me to speak my ideas instead of just thinking about them. So that's what I'm gonna do. And you're gonna see this if you're watching it on YouTube. So the first thing I know is that libgme has an example program that uses the emulator and will write out like the first 5 seconds. So the first step is to find that example program and compile and run it just for shits. Then the next step would be to modify it to run for the length specified in the tag, the ID 666 tag, or whatever length, default length, if the length isn't specified. That was kind of long, but yeah. So and this isn't going to happen until I integrate it into the music player somehow. And remember, I want to abstract the music player, but I guess what's going to actually happen is I'm going to add this feature first because I really want it. I enjoy rendering SPCs because I am a member of battleofthebits.org. Sometimes someone uploads an SPC file with no render, no MP3, and I'll put it into SNES Tracker Debugger and I'll have Audacity record it. I was doing that today and I said to myself, why am I doing this? I should add a feature to just export this. Now, I would eventually want to be able to export certain channels, but that's for later. So that's for later. So now that I kind of know what I want to do, we need to find that example program. Hey, come back. Come back. We need to find that program. Oh, I know where it is. It's in code. It's in the new SNES Tracker. I think. Here we go. Right in here. Alright, so, and this is, I have a lot going. There's this whole new SNES Tracker thing, which is supposed to reflect how I made a GitHub SNES Tracker username where I'm going to host a modified libgme. And this modified libgme is actually using 0.5.2. Whereas we really should just be using 0.6.0. But the problem, this is a whole problem in itself, and I should talk about it. So this is becoming a convoluted video. But what happened was I have modified the SNES SPC emulator to do certain things, and there's no patch file or anything, so that's gonna be something I have to do. Go into the 6.0, 0.6.0 version, but I might be too lazy for that since everything's working so well as it is. But I do have it there, so yeah. And that's where we're going to take our example code from. So we gotta go to demo. It's probably going to be the WAV writer program we want, I imagine. No, it's just a component. I know there's a demo. It's probably this one. See? WAV write. Alright, so in the make file, we have a certain thingamajig here. So this should really be play. See, this is all set up to compile just play. But now we want to compile that other one, basics. So I think what we should do is take this, call this base sources. And then we can have player sources. Player objects. And the other things, really, it's called basics. I'm just call it basics then. Herp derp. Forget about all for now. Is that right? I'm not sure, but we'll leave it like that. Let's see if this works. What am I missing? Here we go. Oh. What did I do? Where's Ace? I don't get it. What am I missing? I'm just gonna do it the way I'm supposed to. Wait a second. Oh, it says duplicate. The heck? Oh, I see. There we go. Alright, let's see what this program actually does. What's the file? Test.nsf. Record 10 seconds of the track. And file type is emulator. That's because we really need an SPC. Because I'm not screwing with those other file formats. Let's do the recently downloaded SPC file. So at Kung Fu Furby, you're getting a feature in this video. You will now be, Pluto Loves New Visitors is now test.spc. Of course, it has to be recompiled. Now it should be out.wave, so we're going to open perfect. So this is exactly the feature I want to add. So let's talk about how the feature is supposed to look in STD. All I want to do is add a file export WAV button. Normally it would be file export, which would open another sub menu, you know, export WAV, export, but I don't have those type of widgets made at all, so I can't do that yet. So I'm just going to be as simple as possible for the time being. I also want to open another SPC just to see, because I might have those sub thingies. Let's see. No, I don't think I do, but I certainly wonder. I don't think I do. Oops, excuse me. So anyway, if we take a look at all this stuff, so we could maybe, just to be as simple as possible right now, we could just take the wave writer direct from libgnd. We can use NFD to specify a file name to write. These are notes that I should be jotting down. I'll just make another thingy here. So NFD to specify output file, wave type. We need to add and we need to add the ability to specify the amount of time to record for the WAV file, which is just going to be that ID 666 or song length query. So we need to figure out how to get the song length from a music player. I can't think of anything else. Sounds like I got a Facebook message. Of course, I'm going to foolishly take that. Be right back. We're back. So, herp derp. Okay. I'm staring at the code. I'm just like so out of it. I'm gonna call wave close. Alright, I want to drag this into my dual screen. I think we're in a Git branch right now, right? We are in, yep. We really want to be in master branch for what? No, we can just, let's commit these changes. Let me just, changes exactly. Yeah, those are all essential. Yep, that's fine. We can commit all that. We just say, you know, we just did stuff. I know I'm ruthless with my inadequate commit messages. Now, we need to get out of this our door context. Don't need to be here anymore. That's cool. Okay. Okay. What branch are we in? Core abstraction. See, we want to get into the master branch. We'll do this with the master branch. Wait, your local changes. Okay, I'll commit that. How to compile abstract timer test program. Push it, I guess. Should push everything. Okay. What now? What now? Need some exercise. I really do. Alright, I should probably stop this video. That was good, push in the right direction though. So that's good. That's okay. We'll pick this up later.